and it's a real honour for me to speak here in this whare beside my lovely wife.
Engari e mau tonu ana te rangi, e mau tonu ana ngā kōrero tuku iho, ngā ingoa.
What I'm going to talk to you today about is the people who I hope we would start thinking about, which is the writing and directing side of it. Because these are the people who actually tell the stories. These are the people who actually have the voice that goes on the screen.
Look, I just want to encourage you, if you're even thinking about writing something, do it. Do it. But remember, the first time you write it, it's just a draft.
Me te iwi kua pai nei, tēnei te mihi nui ki a Tatau. Tatau ai tēnei wā o te tau, ko mātahi kari tīwai. Ko matariki kei te tūāpai.
So my particular interest is in the way in which we design our world to embody Māori identities.
Te ao marama, the transition from passage from unknowing to potential to knowing, te ao marama. That's, that's highlighted in his book.
This has been an intergenerational journey. You know what I mean? Like, every generation has sacrificed and we're all on that journey, and it's a spectrum.
I feel better because my tūpuna are all around and my whānau are all here, and it's just such an honour to be standing here mahi ao, presenting about our kuia.
I read this quite enough. Okay. There's a book that I really want to read. It hasn't been written yet, so I'm going to write it.
I aku mahi hei kaituhi, aku mahi turi kōrero, tōku hia ki whakātua atu I ngā kamariki Māori, I ngā whānau Māori, lotu aku ki te whakā.
It's great to be able to share that knowledge with Māori and change our ways of living really as a result of a book.